back in action. So the next thing we're going to do, we're going to come over here. We're going to go to Wednesday. This is what you will be doing today. Not any more training. Y'all have done all the training. You've learned how to do all this stuff, but this is the last thing you're going to learn how to use, and this is a learn by doing. Okay, I need you to go in your tab and get to this page the way I just showed you. Make sure that you can see this all about me. If you can't see it, then you haven't done something yet, and we need to make sure that you've done it. Isaiah, are you hanging in there? I know. He's saying, ha ha ha, he's sleeping because it took me so long. Oh, you're funny, Isaiah. That's funny. I know. But hey, we won't have to do it again. Would you rather have y'all recorded, or would you rather just me record this up here? Would you mind being recorded? And huh? It says it's locked. Okay, can you present your screen? I'm going to stop presenting, and I would like you to present your screen so I can see if I can help you through it. You know how to present? So everybody's trying to get to the All About Me page. Okay, that's all right. Okay, this assignment is part of Wednesday 5th period, and it is locked, all right? That means that I need to edit this page and go down to change the lock. I have the wrong time. Oh, look, it says PM instead of AM. I need to change this to to AM. So, let me save. Why don't you go and refresh your page? Chris, refresh your page and see if that works. It's still locked? Can anybody else see it? Oh, let me see if my module is locked. See, these are new settings, and we're learning together. I'm going to go in here and look at the module and make sure I didn't lock this. This is locked till 2:45. Yes, that's what it is. I'm going to unlock it. All right, one more time, Chris. You want to try it? All right, well, you just tell me if it works. Reload the page. Tell me if it works. You don't have to present if you don't want to. I'll go ahead and start presenting my screen again. It's here? Is everybody seeing the picture? Excellent. All About Me, and I'm going to share. You should be seeing, go back to my page. You should be seeing the picture. And you know what? I think y'all did this last year, and this was like the cover to your journal. Do you remember this one? You got it at the very beginning of the year, and you colored it. Kind of, something like it. All right, so here's what you got to do. First of all, do any of you know by memory what time the class is over? It's 1:20. Let's see how much time we have. 1:45. Okay. So we have about 20 minutes. We got plenty of time. All right. When you're here, I want you to click this pop out. When you click that, it should open up another screen. Just like this. So everybody go ahead and go to your other tab and click that little square in the top right corner, and you should get this that says it should say All About Me, Word document, and at the top it'll say open with Word. No, we do not want to open with Word. We want to click the little drop down menu. So go back to my screen if you're not, so you can see what I'm doing. This was in our course in the 6 weeks page. You remember? So you went home, you went to home, you clicked modules, yep, modules, then first 6 weeks, okay, first 6 weeks, and then you click Wednesday, okay? Now, from there, you click this little square in the corner, and when you hover over it, it says pop out. When it pops out, it's going to open in a new tab, and it'll look like this. Do not open with Word. You want to click this little down arrow, little options arrow, and you're going to open with Kami. All of you should have Kami. When you open with Kami, it should look like you're going to see a convert. We want to convert. And it'll pop up on the Kami screen. There we go. Now, you can fill this out however you want. Do you want to use a drawing and do your name in here? Do Kara. Do you want to type it? You can type. Oh, that's really big. I want to make that smaller. I can type Kara. Oh, wow, look at that. Did something weird. I'm going to get rid of that. There it is. So I can move my name up there. You can do, let's see what else you can do. I'm learning this. It's got some cool stuff. Let's say, oh, say we want to race. There we go. That worked pretty good. Huh? Over on the left, you can use a drawing. You can use a text box. Markup. Look, it has highlighters. You can cross through stuff, underline. I'm going to try signature. Ooh, I can draw a signature. That's kind of cool. Look, you can even draw a signature on your phone. Upload an image of your signature. That's really neat. I like that. I didn't know it had that feature. Ooh, I think you can even put an image in here. So let's say my hobby is running. Y'all can play with yours, but if you ever want to look back at mine, I'm going to work through it too so you can kind of see some stuff. So I'm presenting it as if, or y'all can watch me, or you can just do it yourselves. So I'm going to go to, I want to go to Google search, and I'm going to put in running. I'm putting in an image. So if you're just listening to me, I'm in my Kami, and I'm looking for image. Oops. Running. I didn't even spell it correctly. Silly me. Well, I'm not racing. I just like jogging. So I'm going to click this picture, and I can put it in hobbies. And I can size it, it looks like, or I can cut it. I like that. I guess I press enter. Okay, y'all go back and look at mine and see how I embedded an image if you haven't looked yet. Look back at the presentation. See, you can put an image in. So my hobbies is running, so I found a Google picture, did a Google search and found a running picture. Lots of really cool stuff you can do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and stop this recording and let y'all have some independent time. I'm going to stay on the Google Meets and we can keep talking. I'm going to go ahead